Now I'm live on YouTube. And look at that, we're live on TikTok. Give me a quick second to pop the chat out. I'm gonna move that over here onto, I think I move it over there. I'm impressed we've got people joining already. Nothing way too much going on. Severe weather, just a quick Memorial Day weekend discussion. Let me close that. And then, yeah. Alright, welcome. What do you want me to check for Watertown, South Dakota? Alright, before we start, not really severe weather going on. This isn't a severe weather live stream. This is more of just, doing some discussions about, like, what the weather's gonna be for this weekend. If you got any questions, feel free to ask them, but, yeah, so, sorry to bump the mic there, but no severe weather going on. I know some people have plans going this weekend, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, then I'm just gonna do a quick rundown of what the weather's gonna be this weekend. It's not... Basically split the country in half. Eastern half's gonna be crappy. Western half's gonna be nice. That's pretty much it. So I've seen a few requests for, oh, you want storms, Carly? Okay. Yeah, let me open up Radar Omega real quick, make sure there's nothing going on now. I'm pretty sure there's not. Yep, nope. Watertown, South Dakota, you guys are clear from storms. No need to worry about that. If we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for Saturday, you guys have... Can you see that in the TikTok? Move that over here. You guys can't really see that. Let me move that over. There we go. It's an annoying part about TikTok when you try to stream vertical, you can't squish the whole thing in. Okay, so Watertown, South Dakota, no severe weather threat for you on Saturday. Sunday, we'll see, where are you? Watertown, South Dakota, you are in the northeastern quadrant there of South Dakota, so, nope, no severe weather for you guys. Maybe some storms on Sunday, but nothing really to write home about. If you go over to our models here, now shift this back over to the center, and then we'll zoom in even more to, north central US. Let's do the Rufus, why not? And for some reason the 0Z is not in. That's great. Well, then we'll do 12Z. So Watertown, South Dakota is right about here. Seeing some rain. Looks like tomorrow and Saturday are going to be mostly dry. Maybe isolated storm late Sunday night to watch out for, but looks like you're escaping most of Memorial Day weekend unscathed. Maybe a few storms on Monday to worry about. Alright, Mobile, Oklahoma, Mobile, Alabama. Alright, Mobile, yep, I can check you out for, Memorial Day weekend. Make sure there's no storms going on right now. Nope, you guys are good. No storms for you guys. In fact, all the storms happening right now, I believe, are in Texas. Yeah, everything that we need to worry about is in Texas. So, yeah, Mobile, you're chilling. Actually, let's do it this way. SBC outlooks. Let's go down here to the southeast. Tomorrow, no severe weather threat for you guys this weekend. We go even deeper here into the southeast on the models here. It's gonna be pretty wet, especially, well, actually, yeah, you got a few showers you gotta worry about on Saturday, but your big rain's gonna come Saturday night into Sunday. Then looks like you're gonna stay mostly dry until Memorial Day itself, where you can see some more rain chances. So, not as bad as we're gonna get it here in Pennsylvania, though. How's it looking in Tulsa for tomorrow? Good question. Let's go down to the central US, and we can do Tulsa. I'm going to switch the model to a better short-term model. So, Tulsa for tomorrow. First off, no severe weather threat for you guys. You're chilling. We time things out here on the future models, future radar. Tulsa's in the northeast quadrant of Oklahoma right there. Got a few showers maybe that you gotta worry about towards the late morning, middle of the day. But once those showers and storms move through, then you're done for the rest of Saturday. So once the rain moves through early in the day, then you're done in Tulsa. Hendersonville, Tennessee. All right, hi, I got you. Hendersonville, Tennessee. Let me just make sure I know where that is. I believe, yep, that is north of Nashville. You can see that? Yeah, you can. Cool. North of Nashville. Let me switch settings here. Alright, north of Nashville. Got a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder that you gotta worry about tomorrow. And then Sunday got some more scattered showers and storms, but the good news is it doesn't look to be a constant all-day rain, so it's not going to put a damper on your Memorial Day weekend plans initially, but it's something you gotta keep an eye on, keep and dodge a little bit, but it's not going to completely destroy your plans. Storming real bad in San Antonio, Texas. How's it looking on radar? Sounds like it's wrapping up. Yep, I'll check you in San Antonio real quick. Alright, San Antonio, yeah, you guys got some, crazy storms earlier today, especially up around, in the Panhandle. San Antonio, though, right now, got a storm that's right on your doorstep. Not severe, though, just, kind of a strong summertime type of thunderstorm. No severe weather threat to worry about. It is moving pretty quickly. Looks like the gust front has moved past you, which would be the damaging wind part. After that, you're just going to be dealing with a bunch of heavy rainfall. Once this storm moves through, though, then, I mean, this isn't even severe to begin with. You still got some rain to worry about this weekend, but nothing really severe to worry about. Which storm should I be worried about Monday? What kind? Just, Carly, just your normal summer type, pop-up storms. Nothing severe for you guys on Monday. So, kind of, as typical run-of-the-mill summer afternoon thunderstorm. It's going to hit, move quickly out, and then you're done. Is it going to hit Brentwood, Tennessee? Let's check Brentwood, Tennessee. Where is Brentwood, Tennessee? Brentwood, Tennessee is right near Nashville. Alright. You guys... You just got some scattered showers and storms throughout these next few days. Nothing severe is expected for you guys. So like I said, you're kind of tip of the middle summertime thunderstorm. It's going to move quick, then it's going to move out quick. But you're going to have scattered showers and storms that you're going to have to dodge throughout the whole day. At least it's not a steady rain that's going to sit there the whole day, though. So yeah, you'll be fine in Brentwood. Just got some rain to worry about if you have any outdoor plans. How's Abilene, Texas looking for tonight? Yep, good question. Abilene, Texas is... right there. Storms have passed you. Severe storms have passed you. Let's get a better look on the models and see what you got in store for this weekend. So, Abilene's about right there. This is a little bit earlier in the night, so let's go back to now. It's about 12 o'clock, so... This is about now. Storms have passed. For the rest of the night, you should be clear. No rain, no storms for you guys. But then on Saturday, you got some more showers, and the storms shouldn't be anything severe. And then looks like you're going to stay mostly dry on Sunday with maybe a few showers and storms to worry about on Monday. How much rain in the Eastern Panhandle I'm going to get this week? Yep, Eastern Panhandle of Texas, I assume. Let's check real quick. For this week, you guys could get probably about a good inch by the time all is said and done. Not as much as southeastern Texas and Louisiana is going to get, but you guys do need that rain, especially with dealing with all those wildfires the past week. So you'll take it, I'm sure. Mesquite, Texas. Mesquite, Texas. Yep. Let's go over to the radar. Mesquite, maybe a few storms got to worry about tonight, but should be pretty weak by the time they move through. And then these next few days, got on and off shower and thunderstorm chances. Looks like Sunday is going to be a best day to do outdoor plans, and then you might have to worry about some storms again on Monday. How's Huntsville, Alabama doing with the 20-1? Oh, they're done for now. That was earlier today, and it was probably nothing anyway. I'm surprised they issued that tornado warning, because there wasn't really supposed to be a big tornado threat there in Huntsville. We'll have to look tomorrow and see if any tornadoes were confirmed, but from what I saw, nothing was confirmed on the ground. I'm so glad. Thank you for any... Yep, no problem. Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Yeah, I'll do that since I'm already here. Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Maybe a few storms to worry about on Saturday, early in the morning. Once those move through, though, then you should be done for the rest of today, or Saturday. And then Sunday, you should be clear, no rain expected for you on Sunday. But we might have a few, rain showers that we might have to worry about on Monday. That model is very slow to run. Unless my time is messing it up. Let's see, Monday and Broken Arrow. Yeah, you might have a few scattered storms you might have to worry about. Shouldn't be anything severe, though. Aurora, Colorado. Alright, I got you. Aurora, Colorado. Let me just double check and see where Aurora is. I believe that is kind of... Is that... Actually, no, I don't know where that is. Okay, that is right next to Denver. Alright, so Aurora's right next to Denver. Denver is right about there. Can I move this over? No, I can't. Alright, it's gonna be on the far right side of the screen. Sorry about that. Looks like, maybe a few isolated showers tonight. Nothing really to worry about. You guys are gonna stay mostly dry, though, thanks to some high pressure until Monday when you, see a chance for a few scattered showers and storms. So, you're looking out this weekend. Not really seeing any precip for you guys. Michigan and and North Carolina for tomorrow. Yep. Alright, let's check Michigan and North Carolina. Go up here. Michigan is going to be on the right side of your screen. Let me move that over just a smidge so you can get a better view. Michigan's going to be on the... Actually... Nope, wrong button. This might be a little better. Hold on. That's fine. Whatever. It is what it is. That's what happens when you get the vertical screen. Michigan's going to be on the right side of the screen. For tomorrow, it's used to H-R, better short-term model, at least for right now, until it's discontinued in August. For tomorrow, seeing a few rain showers. Looks like it's going to be mainly in the morning, then the afternoon and evening, you should be fine. And then we got a few more rain showers again on Sunday. So yeah, rain showers in the morning for tomorrow, and then you guys should be good, in the afternoon. And then you were asking about North Carolina. Alright, North Carolina is going to be right in the center of your screen there. North Carolina, going to be seeing a few rain showers throughout the day tomorrow. Shouldn't be too much of a soaking rain. And then looks like it lets up a little bit overnight. And then Sunday, you see some scattered showers. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder. Nothing severe for you guys. Beaumont, Texas. Yep, I got you. Beaumont, Texas, I believe it's near down... No, that's right. That's in far southeastern Texas. That's where all the heavy rain's going to be. Alright, let's move over there then. Beaumont, Texas. Actually, I wonder if I do this. There we go. So then, I don't have to keep switching, regions every time. Beaumont, Texas. No severe weather really expected for you guys this weekend. I believe you are under, risk for heavy rainfall, though. So that is, this is your excessive rainfall outlook for tomorrow. You're under the slight risk level 2 out of 5 on the excessive rainfall or flash flooding scale for tomorrow. Day 3, you're also under the slight risk, which is Sunday, and then day 4, Monday, marginal risk, and same for Tuesday. So you're right in the bullseye for getting a bunch of heavy rainfall there in Beaumont, Texas. Let's switch this over to the south, central. Beaumont, Texas is going to be right there. If we move forward in time for tomorrow, we're going to see quite a bit more rain. Doesn't look like it's going to be consistent like throughout the whole day. But then you'll see a return of rain showers again on Sunday. So, going to be pretty much pretty wet for most of your weekend there in Beaumont, Texas. Middletown, Indiana. All right. Middletown, Indiana. Let me go back to my YouTube, make sure... Nope, nothing's happening on YouTube. Cool. Middletown, Indiana. You are right near Indianapolis. Alright. Right near Indianapolis. Let's make this one the Ohio Valley. Middletown, Indiana is going to be right there on the kind of center of the screen. Move forward in time a little bit. Looks like you're going to be mostly clear for tomorrow in terms of precipitation for your Saturday. And then Sunday is when you'll see the return of rain. So, no rain for you tomorrow mostly, but then Sunday you'll see the rain once again. Kensal, Georgia. Yep, I got you. Kensal, Georgia. Going to vacation next week in Hot Springs, Virginia. The weather keeps changing, but it's showing cool temps. And yep. Yes. But the good news is that it's going to start to warm up next week. This weekend's when it's really going to be cool. The next week is when we're going to see it warm back up a bit. It's not going to be as hot as it was, but it's going to be warm. Somebody's asking about Kensal, Georgia. Yep. Where's my southeast view? Here it is. Alright, Kensal, Georgia. Looks like you got a few shower chances to worry about tonight, early tomorrow morning, and then come again on Saturday. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms, so you might have to worry about that if you have any outdoor plans. Sunday looks like you're going to be more or less the same thing, so scattered showers and storms for you this weekend. Not looking too good for you guys. Sydney, Nebraska, please. And then Davenport. Alright, I'll do Sydney, Nebraska first, and then I'll do Davenport, Iowa real quick. So let's do Sydney, Nebraska first. That's my great Ohio Valley. Let's make this one the Central U.S. Alright, Sydney, Nebraska. Is that in Central or Eastern Nebraska? Sydney, Nebraska. That is in far western Nebraska. Okay, so that's going to lessen your rainfall chances. Sydney, Nebraska. Not seeing any rain showing up. Maybe an isolated shower tomorrow. But high pressure is going to keep you guys dry for most of the weekend until I think we get into Monday. Then we might have to worry about, see, Monday, yeah, it's not what I wanted. There we go. Monday, yeah, you might have to worry about a few scattered showers and storm chances on Monday. Should be in the late afternoon or evening, though. But you guys are chilling. I mean, you guys are dodging all the rain there in Sydney, Nebraska. Alright, and then Davenport, Iowa. Yep, I gotcha. And then also, quick question. What got you into meteorology? I think I might take the class next year for my junior year. What got me into meteorology? That would be Hurricane Sandy. That was really what set the gears in motion. But Davenport, Iowa, it's just gonna be... No, this will be the best view. Davenport's right there off the right side of your screen. If we go forward in time, looks like the rain's gonna mostly miss you until late in the day tomorrow, where you're gonna see rain showers throughout most of the evening. But then it's gonna move out, and then looks like you're gonna be clear for most of Sunday and Monday as well. So it looks like tomorrow's only gonna be the crappy day there for you in Iowa tomorrow. Phoenix, Arizona. Yep, I saw you asked that. I'll do Phoenix, Arizona. That one, that one, that one, that one. Alright, I need a new map. Gonna switch over to Phoenix. I believe there is no threat of wildfires for you guys. Yeah, no threat of wildfires there. Phoenix, Arizona is right smack in the middle of your screen there. Move forward into time. Excuse me, not seeing any rain showing up on the radar at all. So you guys, not until early next week around Monday and Tuesday is when you're gonna have a few showers and storms to worry about. But this weekend you guys are chilling. What else? Oh, temperatures, yes. I believe it's also gonna be pretty hot there in Phoenix. Yeah, look at these daytime highs in the 80s and 90s. Typical, spring, summer-like temperatures there in Phoenix, so it's gonna be pretty hot there. Highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s for you guys this weekend. Las Vegas, Nevada. Yep, since we're on there, I'll do Las Vegas, Nevada. No rain chances for you guys until, Monday and Tuesday, early next week, as a cutoff low from the northwest moves through. But temperature-wise, you'll see highs in the mid-80s, and then lows will be in the upper 60s to low 70s this weekend. typical spring summertime temperatures there in Las Vegas. And just make sure you don't have any weather alerts out that way either. Nope, nothing we guys gotta worry about right now. How about mineral wells? Alright, let's do mineral wells in Houston, Texas. I've seen 2 requests for that. Mineral wells, I believe, is near Dallas, and then everybody knows where Houston is. Let me switch the model so we can get the whole weekend. For the rest of tonight, just gotta worry about a few, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Shouldn't be severe, though. Just quite a bit of rain, but the most of the rain's gonna be in eastern Texas, where they have the slight risk, tomorrow and Sunday, level 2 out of 4 for flash flooding. And then we gotta worry about rain once again come on Sunday, especially for you guys in Houston and Southeast Texas. Mineral Wells looks like the rain's gonna mostly stay to your south on Sunday until late in the day, and then Monday a few scattered showers and thunderstorms we gotta worry about. As far as weather alerts goes, Houston, Texas is under a flood watch that goes until Monday evening. So yeah, you got the chance for flooding pretty much the whole weekend in Houston. Alright. What's the best part of meteorology? Montezuma, Iowa, please. Oh, yeah. Best part of meteorology is nowcasting. Like, just tracking the severe storms in real time. Love doing that. Forecasting's also pretty fun, too. Don't ask me to do research, though. I hated doing that in college. And then Montezuma, Iowa, and then Kansas City. Yep, should be in the same area, so we'll just check them both. Montezuma, Iowa, no weather alerts for you guys. You're chilling, nothing to worry about. Same thing for Kansas City, no weather alerts that we have to worry about. So let's take a look at the models then. We'll do this view here for Kansas City first, since this showed up first. Kansas City, maybe a few isolated showers tonight, but the bulk of the rain should come maybe tomorrow, but it looks like it's going to miss you mostly to the south, but you still have a chance for some rain late in the afternoon and in the evening tomorrow for Kansas City. Then throughout the rest of the night, you should be clear in terms of rain. Switch the model real quick. Then 12Z. Yeah, you'll have the chance for some few scattered showers and storms tomorrow. Looks like the bulk's going to stay to your south, though. And then Sunday should be mostly dry. And then, looks like tomorrow's really only going to be an iffy day there in Kansas City. Let's go to Montezuma, Iowa. That's going to be, is this view going to do it? No. Yeah, it's going to be this view. Montezuma is going to be on the far right side of the screen. Got a few maybe isolated showers you're going to have to worry about tomorrow. Big threat of rain is going to come late in the afternoon and in the evening hours, though. Looks like you're good for most of the day on Sunday. Maybe a few isolated showers and storms still on Sunday and Monday, but otherwise it shouldn't really be too much of an issue. The only iffy day for plans is going to be tomorrow, Saturday. Canton, Iowa. Illinois, Fulton County. Yep, I got you. Canton, Illinois. Canton, Illinois. Let's see, where is that? That is right near Peoria. Between Springfield, Peoria, and Macomb. Basically, draw a triangle. No weather alerts are in effect for you guys. Which one was it? This one. Let's time things on the motion. Maybe threat of a shower, tomorrow morning, but looks like the bulk of the action is going to stay to your east. And then, showers and storms come back late in the evening in the overnight hours. Gonna remain through Sunday. And then, looks like once the showers move through, looks like most of your day on Sunday and Monday should be dry. So, Saturday is gonna be a real iffy day, Saturday evening into Sunday. Wichita Falls, thundering here now. Alright, I'll check you out there in Wichita Falls. Wichita Falls, you guys are just under a special weather statement for some, penny-sized hail. Otherwise, storm is not severe. So nothing you guys really need to worry about, other than maybe some flooding if the rain keeps falling very heavily. Marshall, actually, no, let's see, 80118. 80118. That would be, Larkspur, Colorado. Larkspur, Colorado, no weather alerts are in effect for you guys. Let's check you out for this weekend, though. Let's see, is this gonna be the best view? Yes, that is. Gonna be right, towards the right side of the screen. Temperature-wise, or precip-wise, maybe a few isolated scattered showers got to worry about tonight. But it looks like it's going to be dry for most of the period until Monday and Tuesday. And we got a few scattered showers and storms that we got to worry about. As far as temperatures go, looks like you guys will see highs in the looks like you see highs in the 60s and 70s, and then lows will be in the 40s and 50s. Marshall, Texas. I got you. Marshall, Texas. Marshall, Texas. You guys got no weather alerts there in effect for you guys. Let's take a look at the future radar, though. Future radar going throughout the rest of tonight. Maybe a few showers and storms that you gotta worry about. Shouldn't be severe. And then looks like, where's Marshall? Yep, that's right near Shreveport. Nope, not that button. 1 second. There we go. And then the rest of the day tomorrow. Hit the wrong button. Rest of the day tomorrow. After the showers move through early in the morning, you should be mostly dry. Maybe an isolated shower or storm, but your best chance of rain is going to be on Sunday, especially Sunday night into Monday. Memorial Day is looking quite soggy out there. And then a few scattered showers and storms then on late Monday evening into Tuesday. 17030. 17030, yep. Gratz, Pennsylvania. Alright, Gratz, Pennsylvania, I believe, is that, I forget what county. Is that Marion County? No. That's Dauphin County. That's right. I believe that's Dauphin County. Just north of Harrisburg there. I'm gonna have to switch to a northeast view. Not looking too good for us this weekend there in, Gratz, Pennsylvania. This might be a better view. Let's go to the boost for activity and precip type. The rain's going to pretty much stick around throughout the rest of tonight into tomorrow morning. Then it's eventually going to move out late in the afternoon, early evening. But we got a few more scattered showers to worry about throughout the night. Then come on Sunday, a few more scattered showers, maybe an isolated rumble or thunder or two. Looks like it might get a little bit of a break there in the middle of the day or in the evening before another round of showers and storms moves through Sunday into Monday. But then looks like Monday itself should be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower or storm though. Biloxi, Mississippi, alright. Biloxi, Mississippi, that is gonna be this one. That is, far southeast, southern Mississippi. You guys have no weather alerts for you. Do have a flood advisory to your north for some minor flooding. But for the city of Biloxi itself, no weather alerts that we have to worry about. Give me 1 second. I want to see if I can pull up the rep current risk. It's gonna be Mobile. Rep current risk for... Actually, do you have any beaches there in Biloxi? Let me go to this. Weather.gov. I can't spell. National Weather Service. Oh yeah, here's your 5-day rip current outlook. Outlook for Alabama, Florida beaches. Looks like Mississippi might not have any beaches. How about weather service? Is this picking up Jackson? Does Jackson do Biloxi? Would your local office is New Orleans? Oh, I think it would be New Orleans to be a weather forecast office. New Orleans, do they issue rip current outlooks? Marine forecast, maybe. Uh, do do do. Not seeing anything there. Looks like New Orleans doesn't issue any rip current risk. Just be careful if you're going out on the beach. Otherwise, let's take a look at the models for the rain next few days. Switch to the Rufus. 21Z, of course, is not in. So we'll go over to the 12Z. You guys, for the next few days, looks like the beginning of Saturday is going to be quiet and dry until we get late in the afternoon into the evening hours when you have a few showers and thunderstorms move through. And then Sunday looks like you guys should be mostly dry as well until late in the day. We will see some more rain return. And then you see a threat for a few showers and thunderstorms again on Monday. So, not a total washout, but a few chances of showers that we gotta keep an eye on. Puyallup, Washington. Yep, and I'll check media, Pennsylvania. Puyallup, Wisconsin, Washington. Puyall. Puyallup. Probably butchering that. I don't know. Puyallup, Washington. No weather alerts in effect for you guys. And you're also in the far northwest part of the country. So we gotta do another model here. Then let's go to regional, northwest United States. Not really seeing too much rain for you guys this weekend. You guys are staying mostly dry until, the beginning of next week, and we'll see a weak shortwave trough move through. So Monday's gonna be a best chance of rain. Otherwise, you're having a great Memorial Day weekend forecast. How's the weather in Ocean Lake, South Carolina next week? Yeah, let's check that out. Ocean Lake, South Carolina. Ocean Lakes, and they'll check media. Right, thank you. I forgot about media. Ocean Lakes, is SC, South Carolina, is that Saskatchewan? Or are you talking about, Myrtle Beach? Oh, is this it? It's right on the beach. Okay, I'll just, do a quick forecast for the beaches in, South Carolina. Gonna be this one. It's gonna be on the right side of the screen there. No YouTube comments, cool. Forecast for the next few days. Saturday, gotta worry about a few, isolated showers and storms. Looks like you guys are gonna stay mostly dry until the late evening, overnight hours when we see another chance for rainfall. And then Sunday, see another threat for a few scattered showers, maybe rumble or thunder too. And then Monday as well. It's gonna be, pretty soggy on Sunday, Monday. And tomorrow, though, you should be mostly dry, I think. And then Media, Pennsylvania. 18 years ago, wow. Alright, Media, Pennsylvania, that's not far from where I am. Media, Pennsylvania is in southeast Pennsylvania. Rain's gonna pretty much stick around throughout the rest of tonight into early tomorrow morning. Then it's gonna let up by the afternoon, evening hours, but then we'll see a few scattered showers and storms then, or should be mostly rain. I'm not really expecting any thunderstorms with this. Late Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then Sunday, you got the threat for rain showers throughout the whole day. And Monday as well. So it's going to be a pretty soggy weekend there in Media. Not far from where I am. Pretty chilly too until next week. What do you use is Brownwood, Texas good? I'm using Radar Omega to check for weather alerts, and I'm just using websites online, mainly Pivotal Weather to check the models, and then I'll check the weather service to see if there's any rip currents. WNBI Brown Barrel. Is it Brown Barrel? No, Brownwood. Brownwood, Texas, you guys are in a special weather statement. Got a strong storm tier east, special weather statement with some gusty winds up to 50 miles per hour and, nickel-sized hail. Looks like the storm's gonna miss you to the east, though. And it's not severe, either. Will tornado hit Bayfield, Wisconsin at all? No. No. Severe weather threat's pretty low these next few days. It's kind of what I want to do in live stream now. Just talk about Memorial Day weekend, check on the plans for you guys. But yeah, things are pretty quiet. Severe weather is pretty quiet these next few days. I'm not sure when the next time I'll be doing the severe weather live stream will be, so I just want to do this and talk to you guys if you have any weekend plans coming up. How would the Gulf Shores of Alabama be this week? Good question. Gulf Shores of Alabama, you guys have no weather alerts in effect for you guys. Let's take a look at the radar. Well, first off, let's take a look and see if you have any risk of rip currents. You guys are under a high risk of rip currents for the 22nd, which would be the rest of tonight. Let's see. You want to Gulf Shores, which I believe is here. No, that's Dolphin Island. Let's go to Mobile's forecast page. Mobile is here. I'll look for Alabama beaches. You have a high risk of rip currents tonight, and then moderate risk of rip currents throughout the rest of next week until Tuesday, when the rip current risk is going to be high. So be careful if you're going out in the beaches, if you're going out in the water, because of their high to moderate to high risk of rip currents. As for the rainfall for you guys, you should be dry throughout most of Saturday morning. Then you'll see a few showers and storms throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Then you should be dry overnight before the threat of rain returns on Monday. So it looks like your Sunday is going to be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower, a storm that you got to worry about. But you guys should be mostly dry on Sunday. And then Monday is when you'll see the rain chances return. Or tornado hit Bayfield, Wisconsin tomorrow, next day. No. Wisconsin has no severe weather threat for the foreseeable future. South Padre Island. Alright, I'll check you real quick. South Padre Island. That's Texas. That is far south Texas. South Padre Island, which check you on the rip currents. First off, flood watch is in effect for your area. I believe this is in effect until, that's the wrong button. Let's see, flood watch is in effect until, Monday morning for you guys. Risk of flooding until then. As far as the rip current risk goes for you guys, it's not gonna be under... Each office has it in a different spot, so I gotta find it. It might be on the marine. Actually, no, it might be on the beach. Yeah, here we go. Oh, this website. See, my problem with this website is that you can't see the next day or the days after that. But with current risk for the rest of tonight is moderate. I'm trying to see if I can find the rip current risk though for the next few days for you guys. Observations. Just check on the rip current risk. If you're going out to the beach and you see there's yellows or red flags, then that means that we do have a chance of risk of rip currents on the beaches. Otherwise, as far as rainfall goes, you're going to be at the very bottom of the screen there. Rest of tonight, looks like you're going to be mostly dry. Looks like the rain's going to mostly miss you to the north most on Saturday. A few scattered showers and storms though late in the afternoon, evening hours. And then you'll see another chance of some rain early on Sunday morning. And then looks like you're going to stay mostly dry on Sunday and Monday. So, best chance of rain for you guys is going to be tomorrow, Saturday. What's the weather going to be for South Sudan? Are you actually in South Sudan, Melanie? Code forward gets spin up a week 20 tonight with the weather coming through. No, not really anticipating it. St. Peter, Minnesota, I gotcha. St. Peter, Minnesota. St. Peter, Minnesota, you guys are south central Minnesota. Is it the second one? Which one has it? Oh, I don't have a one for the north, I guess. Alright, give me 1 second. Do this real quick. Then change the zone to regional, Midwest. St. Peter, Minnesota is going to be right here. Look forward in time next few days. Saturday, looks like you're going to be mostly dry. Sunday looks like you're going to be mostly dry as well. Maybe an isolated shower storm though Sunday night and Monday. And then Memorial Day, just a few isolated shower storm chances. But it looks like you guys are going to stay mostly dry. What is happening? Nothing really. I'm just seeing if you guys have any questions about any plans for this weekend, that's what I'm here to answer. Because I know the eastern half of the country is seeing some questionable weather. A lot of rain, especially in the southeast, but the west is seeing beautiful weather. Not really too many disruptions for the Memorial Day plans. So, if you guys have any questions about any Memorial Day weekend plans, I'm here to answer them. Oh yeah, no problem, Paul. Anytime. Let's see what the current risk is going to be in Jersey. It's high for tonight. They don't have the outlook for tomorrow yet. Well, on this site. I know Mount Holly does, though. Uh, Denton, New Mexico. I got you. Yep. If I can spell it right. D-E-M, Denman. There we go. Denman, New Mexico. Southwest New Mexico. Where's my Four Corners map? Here it is. Southwest New Mexico is right about there. You guys aren't going to have to worry about any rain until Monday and Tuesday when you'll see a threat for a few scattered showers and storms. As far as temperatures go, you'll see highs in the low 80s and then lows in the upper 50s to low 60s. Pretty typical spring weather for you guys there in Denman, New Mexico. And then no rain impacting your Memorial Day weekend plans until Monday and Tuesday. Alright. I'm not really seeing any other questions. Anybody have any other questions? Any other plans that they're doing this weekend? Also trying to figure out how this, I've been doing some research too and trying to figure out how the whole TikTok, like I know like YouTube has their own kind of membership system. I'm trying to figure out, seeing TikTok has something like that too. Maybe give you guys some perks if you want to do that, or if you want to have an exclusive chat where you can talk about the weather or request weather information from me anytime. I'm trying to figure things out, but no rush. Making sure we don't have anything in TikTok chat, nothing in the YouTube chat. We're chilling. Awesome. But yeah. Real quick. Would anybody be interested in and maybe potentially having kind of like a subscription only chat room where you can talk to me or ask me weather information? What is that? What do you guys think of that? Allergen, Michigan, or Allergen, Michigan. Yep, I'll check Allergen, Michigan. A-L-L-E-G. Allergen, Michigan, you guys are kind of in the, how would it, this part of the hand, I guess, if you will. Southwest Michigan. The other side of the thumb. No weather alerts in effect for you guys. You know what, let's turn on the models, let's do this. Rainfall totals for this week. Total precip. From today onwards, if the model's gonna decide to load. There we go. This is about we'll take it out to the 29th, so about next week. So around half an inch. So I'd say half an inch to an inch over the next week is their rainfall total there. How is Miamisburg, Ohio gonna look for the night? And yeah, that'd be dope. Haha. Sweet Novaline. Yeah, something, yep, I'm working on it. I want to offer some more stuff for you guys, especially if I'm starting to grow. Saying ums a lot. I need to get more confident in talking. It's just like I'm having a conversation, just like I tell people when I'm helping them practice in front of the green screen. We'll see, where is it? Oh, Miamisburg, Ohio. Yes, let me see where that is. M-I-A-M. Miamisburg, Ohio, you guys are... Turn off that finder tool. Oh, you're near Dayton. Is that where Miami University is, by the way? For the rest of tonight for you guys. Guys are right about here. Sometimes it freezes like that. I gotta refresh the page. The rain's eventually gonna move out, and then you'll see a few more scattered shower chances, but it's not gonna be steady like it is tonight. So once the steady rain moves out, then you'll just see maybe a shower or two tomorrow. Hey, Miami, Florida here. Haha, nice. Let's see what locations. Kearney, Missouri. Actually, seven. Let me do Mike's first. 75453 75454 75454. That is Melissa, Texas. Melissa, Texas is by Dallas. No weather alerts in effect for you guys. Let's see what the weekend's got in store for you, though. Right about there. Move forward in time. Showers and storms will move through later tonight, early tomorrow morning. Shouldn't really be severe for you guys. Then looks like most of your Saturday is going to be mostly dry. Sunday, the majority of the rain is going to stay to your south. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, but the best chance is going to be Sunday night into Monday, and throughout the day on Monday into Tuesday. Alright, and then Kearney, Missouri. Kearney, Missouri. Let's go back to the radar. No weather alerts in effect for you guys. Let's see how the weekend is looking in for you guys. Kearney, Missouri is near Kansas City. Right about there. Moving forward. Maybe a few sprinkles tonight. A few scattered showers and storms throughout the day tomorrow. And then Sunday, looks like you guys are going to stay mostly dry throughout the rest of the weekend into next week. Bristol, Pennsylvania. I should know what it is. Is that Western Pennsylvania? Or is that by me? That's England. That's right. I knew it was by Philly. I'm like, I've heard that town name before. I'm where home is. Bristol, Pennsylvania. I believe it's gonna be this one. Guys are still seeing some light rain showers. In fact, let's turn the radar. Looks like the rain has lit up a little bit, but we got a few more light rain showers to our west that we gotta keep not necessarily worry about unless you're doing anything outside. But a few light rain showers tonight. Should move out by. Actually, looks like most of Saturday is going to be rainy too until the night. Then the rain's going to let up in the evening, overnight hours, and then we'll see threat for more rain on Sunday and Monday. So it's going to be pretty wet these next few days. Let's see. I'm seeing North Loop, Nebraska. North Loop, Nebraska. No weather alerts in effect, but you guys are also in central Nebraska. So we'll use this view here. The rest of tonight, maybe an isolated shower, but not really expecting that. Tomorrow into Sunday, you might see an isolated shower as well, but you guys should stay mostly dry for the weekend. Maybe an isolated shower chance again Sunday night into Monday, but you guys should stay mostly dry. Vera, Oklahoma. Vera, Oklahoma, you guys have no weather alerts in effect for your area? I gotta go back because I don't see where that's north of Tulsa. It's right about here, Vera, Oklahoma. Maybe an isolated shower for the rest of tonight. The rain's gonna move in though late tonight, early in the morning. It's gonna really stay there throughout most of the day until the late afternoon, evening hours. Then you should stay mostly dry for Saturday night into Sunday, and for your day on Sunday and Monday. Sunday looks like it's gonna be mostly dry, and then maybe an isolated shower storm then on Monday. Marshfield, Wisconsin. Alright, Marshfield, Wisconsin. Let me see where that's at. Marshfield, Wisconsin. That is to the north of Madison. Kind of north of, east of Eau Claire, east of La Crosse. see, is that gonna be this one? Yep. Kind of, Marshfield's right about there. Seeing a few isolated scattered showers for the rest of tonight. Looks like you're gonna be dry for most of the day on Saturday. Then you'll see an isolated shower return on Saturday night into Sunday. And then for your day on Sunday, looks like you're going to stay mostly dry, and then a few isolated showers or storms then on Monday. Not as bad as we're getting it here in Pennsylvania. Well, Denman have any severe weather. Was that Denman, New Mexico? I believe that was... Let me go see if I can find it in the chat. I believe that was Denman, New Mexico. You guys are good. No severe weather for you guys. 64060. Alright. 64040. Did I get that? No, 60. And then I'll do Knoxville, Tennessee, Brentley. Just give me a second. Kearney, Missouri. Kearney, Missouri. I thought I already did you guys. Or maybe you're somebody else. Maybe you're somebody new. Kearney, Missouri, you're right about down there. Seeing a few showers tonight. Then looks like most of the rain's gonna stay. Well, you got a chance for a few isolated showers throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, maybe an isolated shower, but looks like you're gonna stay mostly dry. Same thing for Monday as well. Alright, Knoxville, Tennessee. And I'll do Tulsa, Oklahoma. Knoxville, Tennessee, we'll see if you guys have any weather alerts. Nope, no weather alerts in effect for you guys. I gotta switch over to this view. Or do I want this view? Yeah, this view. Knoxville, Tennessee is right about there. Move forward in time. Still dealing with a little bit of rain throughout the night. And tomorrow, a few scattered showers. Nothing severe. Not really expecting any thunder even from this. Sunday, a few scattered showers to worry about as well. And then Monday, a few scattered showers as well. So, scattered showers throughout the weekend, which means it's not going to be a continuous rainfall. So, you'll probably be able to squeeze in some time outside. Arab, Oklahoma, Arab, Alabama. They had, actually, yeah. Somebody asked about Tulsa, Oklahoma. Then I'll do Arab, Alabama. Tulsa, Oklahoma, no weather alerts in effect for you guys. For the rest of tonight, I'll see some rain moving late in, or very early, Saturday morning. Have a chance for some rain throughout the day on Saturday. Looks like, yeah, it's gonna be tough maybe finding some time outside until the rain moves past late in the afternoon, evening hours. But then past then, looks like you guys are gonna stay dry for most of your day on Sunday. And Monday, maybe an isolated shower or storm. Arab, Alabama, and then, Stephenville, Texas. Arab, Alabama. Oh, it's Arab. How did I not know that? It's Arab, Alabama. I should know that. Arab, Alabama. You guys are not under any weather alerts right now. We go to the future radar. Rain chances continue through Saturday. Scattered showers, maybe rumble thunder or two. Looks like it's gonna be the same on Sunday, though it's gonna light up late, bit, in the afternoon, evening hours. And then Monday, it looks like it's gonna be, washout on Monday. Waterloo, Iowa. Waterloo, Iowa. Which one do I want to use for that? What's a good Iowa view? Probably this one. Waterloo, Iowa's right about there. Maybe a few isolated showers on Saturday, but you should stay mostly dry until the evening, overnight hours, when we got chance for showers, maybe a rumble thunder or two. Sunday, looks like you guys are staying mostly dry, and Monday, maybe an isolated shower. Stephenville, Texas. Stephenville, Texas. You guys are in the special weather statement right now. Got a storm on top of you capable of producing 55-mile-an-hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail, but the core of the storm has passed you. So I'm not really expecting too much wind or hail from for the rest of tonight for you guys. As for the rest of this weekend, Stephenville is southwest of Dallas. Right about there. That's a storm moving through right about now. Looks like you're going to stay dry for most of your day on Saturday. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but most of the rain's going to stay to your south on Saturday. Sunday, then you'll see the chance for showers and storms late in the afternoon, early evening hours. And then Monday, you'll have threat for scattered showers throughout the day. Can you do Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, please? Yes, I can. Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, no weather alerts are in effect for you guys. Let's check out your rep current risk, though. Move to the east more. There we go. Rip currents. Where is that going to be under marine? Maybe marine hazard message doesn't look like anything. Kitty Hawk, your forecast. Doesn't say anything about rip currents. Bummer. I was hoping you could find something about rep currents. Maybe there isn't anything because it might be under marine hazards message. Nope, not on there. Alright, no weather alerts for you guys. Doesn't look like there's rep current threat for you guys. I want this one. Kitty Hawk Beach is right about there. Gonna see some scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday and into the night as well. Sunday, scattered showers continue as well. And Monday, a few scattered showers as well. So scattered showers will be the name of the game throughout the weekend for you guys in Kitty Hawk Beach. Can you do Gold Hill, Oregon? Yes, I can. Gold Hill, Oregon. Gold Hill, Oregon, no weather alerts in effect for you guys. Do have a few rough seas though out towards your west, so be careful if you're taking some boats out there. As far as future radar goes, not seeing any rainfall for you guys for this weekend. Next best chance of rain is going to be around Monday into Tuesday when the trough moves in and the cold front's going to move past you. Can you do Walters, Oklahoma? Yes, Walters, Oklahoma. Walters, Oklahoma, you guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now for half-dollar size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. You guys are near Lawton as well. Just ride the storm inside, you'll be fine. As for the rest of the weekend, right about there. That's the storms moving past now. Guys should stay mostly dry for Saturday and Sunday. Have a chance for a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two Saturday night into Sunday. Once those pass you, though, then you should be... Looks like you'll be mostly dry, maybe a threat for a few scattered showers, unless it stays around you on the rest of the day on Sunday. Monday looks like most of the showers are going to stay to your east. Pikeville, Kentucky, down by Mr. Ryan Hall. Pikeville, you guys. Where's Pikeville? There you guys are. No weather alerts in effect for you guys. Let's see how the rest of the weekend's looking for you. Pikeville is right about there. Looks like the rain has ended for most of the part, mostly for tonight. But you'll see a threat for scattered showers, maybe a rumble or thunder or two throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, same thing as well, scattered showers and maybe a rumble or thunder or two. Monday, same thing. So, pretty soggy for the weekend. Can you look at Dukes County, Massachusetts? Yes, I can. Dukes County, Massachusetts, no weather alerts in for your area, but you do have a small craft advisory around you guys, so be careful if you're taking any small boats out there. For future radar, Dukes County's right about there. Not sure if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. You can see that. Cool. Right about there. Looks like you'll see some rain throughout the day on Saturday. Looks like it's going to be a pretty steady and light rain. Sunday, you'll see rain throughout the day as well. And Monday as well. It's going to be a pretty wet weekend. Cape May, New Jersey. Yep, I can do that since I'm already here. Cape May, New Jersey. Let's check out the rip current risk first. I know Mount Holly does good rip current forecasts. Do marine forecast. Rip current. Day 2. This is your rip current risk for Saturday. High risk of rip current, so be very careful if you're going out on the beach. For Sunday, high risk of rip current continues, so it's going to be a pretty dangerous weekend on in the waters on the beaches. So be careful. Also, it's not really going to be a great beach weekend. It's going to be pretty wet. As far as future radar goes, yeah, it's going to be wet for most of the weekend. You'll see a break Saturday night into Sunday, but then scattered showers return on Sunday. And it's going to be pretty wet for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So it's kind of good, I guess, that the rip currents are high now. Maybe get it over with. Although it's not how it works, but or I think I got that backwards. It's good that it's raining this weekend, because hopefully that'll deter people from the beaches, because the rip current risk is very high, so it's very dangerous to go out in the water on the beaches. It's fine to be off the water, just on the shore on the beach, soaking up some sun. Though there's not really gonna be any sun to soak up. But if you're going out swimming, be very careful. Vernon, Texas. Yep, I can do Vernon. Vernon, I believe, is north of Dallas. Let me double check that real quick. See if I can find it. Vernon, Texas is, yep, northwest of Dallas. No weather alerts for you guys. Got a few scattered showers and storms around you right now. Let's look at how things are for the rest of the weekend. So once these storms pass, which they already have, you guys should be mostly dry for the rest of your Saturday. And then if threat for showers and storms returns Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then most of your Sunday should be dry. Maybe a few scattered showers throughout Sunday night into Monday. And then Monday, a few scattered showers, so most of the rain should be to your east. Birmingham, Alabama. Birmingham, I believe there are no weather alerts in effect for you guys. Yeah, you guys are chilling in Birmingham. No weather alerts out there. Birmingham's also right about there. You should be dry for the rest of tonight, but then you'll see scattered showers return throughout the day on Saturday. Continues overnight into Sunday, and then you'll see a little bit of a break throughout midday on Sunday before rain returns again on Mondays, around Monday afternoon to evening. Pleaston, Pleasanton, Texas. Pleasanton, Texas, you guys are right near San Antonio. You are under a flood watch until Monday evening. So flash flooding is possible throughout that period. You guys are right about here. Move forward in time. Threat for a few scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, looks like most of the rain is going to stay to your south and east. And before returning on Sunday afternoon into evening. And Monday as well, a few scattered showers are possible. So you got some rain to deal with this weekend. Not as bad as it is here in Pennsylvania. What does special weather statement mean for Fort Worth? Should I prep for a tornado? No. Is Fort Worth under a special weather statement? Oh yeah, you guys are. Let's see. Not that. No. Come on, get it. Exit out of that. This is the X. Special weather statement for Fort Worth. Just some gusty winds, maybe some nickel-sized hail. No tornado though. You guys are good. Just ride your storm out inside and you'll be fine. China Grove, North Carolina. China Grove, North Carolina, kind of central, well, more west central North Carolina. Let's take a look and see how you guys are doing. Right about there. Got a few more showers to worry about tonight, throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, looks like I get a brief break in the rain around in the afternoon before the rain returns in the evening, overnight hours. And then scattered showers continue on Monday, so pretty wet for the weekend. 21060. Gotcha. 21060. Glen Burnie, Maryland. Glen Burnie, Maryland. You guys are good. No weather alerts for you. Just a small craft advisory out for the Chesapeake Bay, so be careful if you're taking any small boats out there. As far as future radar goes, for the rest of tonight, dealing with quite a bit of rain. It's just going to be a light, steady rain. Then it should move out early in the morning, and then you'll have scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday. You'll have a few scattered showers on Saturday night into Sunday, and that continues throughout Sunday afternoon and evening, and then scattered showers once again on Monday. So it looks like the break from the rain is going to be Saturday afternoon. Frederick, Oklahoma. Let's see if you guys are under any weather alerts. I know you have some storms around you right now. Frederick, nope, no weather alerts in effect for you guys. Oh, excuse me. I'm probably gonna go to bed soon. No weather alerts for Frederick, Oklahoma. Let's see what the future weather looks like. Right about there. So those are the storms moving through now. Should be dry for the rest of tonight then. And then next best chance of rain is going to be Saturday night into Sunday. And then it should be mostly dry on Sunday. Maybe an isolated shower, but most of the rain is going to stay to your south. Monday, you should be mostly dry as well. Showers to your southeast and west. San Antonio, Texas. San Antonio, you guys are under a flood watch until Monday evening. Flooding is possible throughout that period. San Antonio is right about there. Once those storms move through tonight, which I already have, maybe a few scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday into Sunday. And then the rain moves to your east, but you'll see more scattered showers Sunday evening into the overnight hours. And maybe a few isolated to scattered showers on Monday. San Benito, Texas, yep. San Benito, Texas, you guys are also under a flood watch through Monday morning. Let's see if there's any rip current forecasts for southern Texas. Beachcast. That is old. That's not what we want. Do they have beach down here? Oh, is this a terrible website that I... Yes, that is. Okay, can't really help you with that. For rip currents. Check again tomorrow, though. As far as weather-wise, few scattered showers early tomorrow morning, maybe rumble or thunder or two. And then you'll see some more rain throughout, let's see. Actually, no. Saturday afternoon and evening is when you'll see another chance of rain. Then it'll come again on Sunday, late Saturday evening into Sunday morning. And then throughout the day on Sunday, just a few isolated to scattered showers. My best chance of rain is going to be on Saturday for you guys. And San Benito, Texas. Denton, Texas. Everyone seems to be saying something different. Alright, Denton, Texas. Denton, you got a few storms to us, but they're not severe, so nothing really to worry about there. As far as this weekend goes, did they update the model? 0Z's running, so we're not going to get that for a little bit. So we gotta go back to 12Z. Denton, Texas, your Saturday should be mostly dry. Looks like your Sunday should be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower at night. And then Monday's going to be actually no, that's Sunday evening into Monday is going to be a next best chance of rain. And then a few isolated scattered showers on Monday. So your Saturday should be mostly dry, and then the rain returns on Sunday afternoon and evening for you guys there in Denton. 28376. 2837. Wait for North Carolina. Rayford, North Carolina, no weather alerts in effect for you guys. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty wet this weekend. Yeah. It's gonna be pretty wet. Seeing scattered shower chances throughout the whole weekend. We're camping overnight in the Pilot Point, Texas. Is it going to storm tonight, and how bad will it be? Alright, yep, let me check for you guys. Pilot Point, Texas. Alright, you guys, are near Dallas. The worst of the storm should be to the south. It's probably just gonna be some heavy rain and some breezy winds, but it's not gonna be severe. If you're in an RV, you should be fine. No tornadoes, so you don't really need to worry about that. And then once the rain moves past tonight, you should be dry for most of your day on Saturday, and then your next best chance of rain is going to be late Saturday night into early Sunday morning with a light rain shower. And then you'll see another chance of rain Sunday evening into Monday morning. But yeah, the storms that are to your west right now are not that bad. Nothing much to worry about. I'll do Little Rock, and then I'll do 78256. Little Rock, Arkansas, right about here. I believe they do not have any weather alerts. Nope, they just have a dense fog advisory until 10 a.m. on Saturday. So be careful if you're driving out early tomorrow morning and it's foggy out there. Otherwise, as far as rainfall goes, should be dry for the rest of tonight. Then you'll see a few scattered showers overnight Saturday into Sunday. Then Sunday, see some more scattered showers late Sunday night into Monday. And then you'll see scattered showers throughout the day on Monday. And then 78256. 78256, that is San Antonio, Texas. San Antonio, they are under a flood warning until Monday evening. There is a potential for life-threatening flooding somewhere in the watch area. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, and streams and other long-line flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Rural water crossings may be flooded. Basically, what that's just saying is be alert for floods. As far as the weather for the rest of the weekend, once the storms past you, which I think they already did. Yeah, for the most part. Your Saturday should be mostly dry. Maybe a few showers throughout Saturday, late afternoon on Saturday into the evening hours. Sunday, looks like most of the rain is going to be to your east, but can't rule out some scattered showers, especially in the evening and overnight hours. And then Monday, maybe an isolated shower. Can you do Sycamore, Illinois? Actually, maybe do Edwards, Mississippi, then I'll do Sycamore, Illinois. Edwards, Mississippi. I got a flash flood warning off to your west. Got a storm off towards your west that is not really moving that much. Edwards, Mississippi is right about there. So for the rest of tonight, maybe a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble thunder or two, and then rain returns Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. Might be heavy at times too. Sunday looks like you're dry for the most part until the overnight hours when you'll see the return of some rainfall. And then Monday, you gotta watch for scattered showers and storms. And then, Sycamore, Illinois. Sycamore, Illinois, no weather alerts are in effect for you guys. Let me find the appropriate map to use for you guys right here. You guys are right about there. Move forward in time. Looks like most of the rain is going to miss you to the east tonight and Saturday until Saturday night into Sunday morning when we'll see another round of rain. And Monday looks like you're mostly dry, so gotta wait until Saturday night, overnight Saturday and Sunday for your next round of rain. Overland Park's, I believe that's, yep, Overland Park, do you mean Overland Park, Kansas? Yeah, I knew what you meant. Overland Park, Kansas, right about there. A few more scattered showers throughout the night tonight, and Saturday as well. Sunday, maybe an isolated shower, but looks like you guys are going to stay mostly dry. Same on Monday as well, so Saturday's going to be your worst day. Omaha, Nebraska, right about there. Few more scattered showers throughout the rest of tonight, but I think your rain threat has mostly ended. Saturday, looks like you guys are staying dry as well. Sunday, maybe an isolated shower Sunday night into Monday. And throughout the day on Monday, but you guys should stay mostly dry in Omaha. What weather forecast I'm using? I'm using weather, looking at weather models from Pivotal Weather. Odessa, Missouri. Let me see where that is. MISS. Odessa, Missouri is right next to Kansas City. You guys are right about there. For the rest of tonight, just some scattered light rain showers. Saturday, pretty much the same deal until you get to the afternoon, evening hours, then the rain's going to move to your south and east. And then you guys are mostly dry for Sunday and Monday. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Grand Rapids, Michigan is right about there. And you see some rain move through early Saturday morning, should be very late, and then it'll move out by the afternoon hours. And then you'll see some rain return once again on Sunday morning through the afternoon hours, should be light as well. And then Monday, you guys will probably be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower to worry about throughout the day. When will severe weather will make a return? Maybe next week. Signals are not that good, though. We're kind of in a quiet weather pattern. According to Storm Prediction Center, we have very low threats next few days. Just marginal risks, level 1 out of 5s. But yeah, nothing really severe in the next few days. Weather pattern's not really favorable for that. McKinney, Texas, and then Tampa, Florida. McKinney, Texas is right about there. Let's see if you... I think you have Storm Tier West right now as well. Where's the radar? Oh, come on. Really? The radar's down? That's lovely. Is this the updated radar? Yes, it is. McKinney's right there. Storms are off Tier West. They're not severe. Nothing really to worry about tonight. Once the storms move through tonight, your Saturday should be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower overnight. And then Sunday, your next best chance of rain is going to be Sunday evening through Monday morning. And then you have scattered showers throughout the day on Monday. Tampa, Florida. Tampa, Florida is right there. Let's check and see if you have any weather alerts. Nope. You guys are chilling. And Tampa's right about there. Move forward in time. For your Saturday, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon once again. Same thing on Monday. Your typical summertime storms in Florida. Newport, Oregon. Newport, Oregon. That is a small craft advisory out there on the lake that looks like the Yaquina River to your south. Got a small craft advisory there, so be careful if you're taking any boats out there. Otherwise, also have a small craft advisory out on the coast to your west, so again, be careful if you're taking any boats out there. That's the only weather alerts you have for your area. For the rainfall, you guys are going to stay mostly dry for the weekend until Monday when the cold front's going to move through and bring another chance of rain. San Diego. Actually, let me show Texas, the DFW area, and then we'll do San Diego. DFW area in Texas. Got a line of storms to your west that is not severe, just producing some penny to nickel-sized hail and some breezy winds, but nothing severe. Just ride a mountainside and you'll be fine. And then, where was somebody asking for? San Diego, that's right. San Diego. Where's San Diego? That's in Southern California. No weather alerts in effect for San Diego. see. Four Corners. Yeah, you're right about there. Let's check the rain. Shouldn't really be anything. Yep, nope. No rain in the foreseeable future. Temperature-wise, you're gonna see highs in the low 70s, and then lows in the upper 50s to low 60s. Sacramento, California. Let me shift this to the west. Sacramento, California is right smack there in the middle. No weather alerts for you guys. Nope, you're chilling. Sacramento is right about there. Check the rain real quick. Nope, not really seeing any rain for you guys. Maybe a few scattered showers to your east for Sunday. But yeah, I don't think you guys really need to worry about rain that much. Temperatures. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button. Looks like your daytime highs are going to be in the mid-70s, and then your overnight... Actually, no. Your daytime highs are... Yeah, overnight lows are going to be in the mid-70s. Your daytime highs are going to be close to 90. At least that was for Friday. Saturday... Your daytime highs are going to be in the mid-80s. Yeah, the daytime highs are going to be close to 90, and then your overnight lows are going to be in the 50s. No rain for you guys, though. Can I check Oklahoma? Yes, I can. Oklahoma, no more severe thunderstorm warnings. In fact, we have no more severe thunderstorm warnings across the country right now. Just some strong storms over near Lawton. 78201. San Antonio, you guys are still under a flood watch until, Monday evening. I don't want the Microsoft Store. I hit the wrong button. As far as rain for the next few days, some scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, you guys should be mostly dry until Sunday evening when you have scattered showers. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well in the evening and overnight hours. And then Monday, an isolated shower. Agnes, Texas. Agnes, Texas. You guys are under a special weather statement for a strong storm that is capable of producing winds up to 55 miles an hour and nickel-sized hail. Not severe, though. And storm is right on top of you right now, moving towards your east. Once the storm passes, you're done. I mean, it's not really a severe weather threat for you guys tonight anyway, so. But yeah, you can see that once that storm moves through, you're pretty much done for the rest of today and Saturday. Maybe an isolated shower Saturday night into Sunday. And then some more showers and thunderstorms Sunday evening through Monday. And then scattered showers throughout the day on Monday, though most of that should stay to your east. We're at our website. I'm using Radar Omega to check the radar, and then Pivotal Weather to check the weather forecast. Sometimes I'll look at the National Weather Service to see, check what their rip current forecast is. San Marcos, Texas. San Marcos, Texas. You guys are right near Austin. These storms to your north should miss you to the north. And you guys are also under a flood watch until Monday evening. As far as rain goes, you guys are kind of right about there. Maybe an isolated shower for Saturday. And then a few scattered showers Sunday night through the day on Sunday, though most of the rain should stay to your south and east. And then some more rain, scattered showers, and a few storms return Sunday evening through Monday morning. And then Monday, maybe some scattered showers, but most of that should stay to your east. Are you going to get some winds when the storms come into Brentwood, Tennessee? No, it's just going to be rain. Just going to be rain for the rest of the weekend. Can you please do Bowie, Texas? Yep, and then remind me to check Mitchell, North Carolina. Bowie, Texas. No weather alerts for you guys. That storm is missing you to the south. The worst of it is, at least. Excuse me. Yeah, just a weak storm overview right now, nothing severe. As far as rain goes for the rest of the weekend, Saturday should be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower overnight, and then scattered showers and storms Sunday evening through Monday morning, and then a few isolated scattered showers on Monday. And then Mitchell, North Carolina, that's right. Mitchell, North Carolina. Where was that comment? I missed that. Be second, I gotta find that check. Where was that? There it is. Mitchell. Mitchell, Mitchell, North Carolina. Check you guys. North Carolina. You guys are right there. Scattered showers really throughout your whole weekend. Not really gonna get too much of a break. Might see a break from a one individual cell, but the threat for scattered showers remains throughout the whole weekend. Baltimore, Maryland. What causes to have strong winds? Severe storms. Usually mixing from stronger winds from up above, higher in the atmosphere. Sometimes it's also a strong pressure gradient. Changes in air pressure over a short distance can cause strong winds as well. Baltimore, no weather alerts for you guys, but there is a small craft advisory along the Chesapeake Bay. Be careful for taking small boats out there. As for Saturday, looks like might see some late rain showers in the morning, then the afternoon, evening should be mostly dry, and then scattered showers returns on Sunday and Monday as well. Is it accurate? Pivotal weather. These are just computer models. They tend to be pretty accurate, but not always. Just why you need a meteorologist to interpret the models. And if iPhone or Android weather apps, they use the model data. However, sometimes it's not always accurate, and that's why you need a meteorologist sometimes to interpret the model data and see, okay, the model's being pretty biased towards rain when there's not going to be rain, so you don't need to worry about that. Or the model's colder than it actually is going to be. Sioux City, Iowa. Yeah, I gotcha. Sioux City, Iowa. Right about there. I don't think you guys have any weather alerts right now. Nope, you're chilling in Sioux City. Guys are right about there, though. Past tonight, you guys are gonna stay mostly dry. Maybe an isolated shower Sunday night. But otherwise, you guys should stay mostly dry. Cobb, Oklahoma. Cobb, Oklahoma. Right along the Red River of the South. So right about there. Let's check the radar, see if you got any more storm. Yeah, you got some storms to your west that'll move through. Nothing severe, so you don't really have much to worry about. And then Saturday, after that, it looks mostly dry, and then an isolated shower Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then Sunday, looks like most of the rain is going to stay to your south until... Oh, I'm tired. Until Monday, when you'll see some scattered showers, maybe a rumble thunder or two. What's Ashland, Kentucky got going on? Let's take a look. Ashland, Kentucky, you guys are under a flood watch through Saturday morning. Where are you guys? Are you in Eastern Kentucky? Yeah, you're kind of near Pikeville. North of Pikeville, north of their weather house, Mr. Ryan Hall. Right about here in Ashland, Kentucky. Once the rain moves through tonight, which it probably already has, I'll see some scattered showers again on Saturday. Sunday should be dry for most of the morning, then scattered showers, maybe rumble or thunder returns then. And then Monday, scattered showers as well, but the threat's not as high as it was on Sunday. Can you check the Philly area? Yep, Philly is right about there. I can tell you because that's where I am too. We're going to be wet for most of the weekend. And chilly. Rain's going to stick around through Saturday morning. Actually, through Saturday afternoon. And then we'll see scattered showers again Saturday night through Sunday. And then scattered showers continue on Monday as well. Nice, one more excuse not to mow my lawn. Yep, haha, there you go. Corpus Christi. Yep, I got you in Corpus Christi. Corpus Christi's right about there. Move forward in time. Got watching those storms that are a few storms to west that we got to keep an eye on. If they move through, they're not going to be severe, but that's if they move through. They might not. They might miss you. This is Saturday morning, by the way, so you still got a bit of time yet till the storms potentially move through. And then you got scattered shower chances throughout the day on Saturday into Sunday. And then your rain chances decrease on Sunday into Monday. Maybe just an isolated shower. Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky, you guys are under a flood watch through late tonight, which I guess is late Saturday night. You guys are on the flood advisories too for the next half an hour for some minor flooding. And let's check the radar. Looks like most of the light rain has moved past you, so let's see how things look for the rest of the weekend. Louisville's right about up there. So rain has mostly passed you, maybe a few scattered showers on Saturday. And a threat for some more rain showers on Sunday, especially Sunday afternoon and evening. And then Monday, maybe an isolated shower. The amount of tornado warnings Friday was crazy. Yeah, there was some I was you talking about today? Like, yeah, I was a little impressed. I thought there wouldn't be that many. I almost debated about going live, but I decided not to. Thank you so much. Need more rain for sure. Yeah, a lot of areas in the east need quite a bit of need more rain. Abilene, Texas. Yep, I gotcha. Abilene, Texas. Storms have passed you for tonight. Let's see how you look for the rest of the weekend. So, storms have already passed you. Saturday, maybe some showers to your west on Saturday afternoon and evening. And then Sunday, maybe a few scattered showers. Should mostly stay to your east. And then Monday, maybe an isolated shower. The Woodwinds, Texas. Yep, I gotcha. The Woodlands, Texas. You guys are right near Houston. You guys are under a flood watch through Monday evening. Be alert for flooding. Let's see how the current radar looks. Storms are still off towards your west, and they're not that severe. They're actually nothing severe across the country. You might have some storms move through late tonight, early in the morning. Otherwise, for your Saturday, just a few scattered showers. Then rain chances pick up Saturday, overnight Saturday and Sunday morning. And then Sunday afternoon, should be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower, and then scattered showers for Monday. Fort Dodge, Iowa. Yep. Fort Dodge, Iowa. Actually, I should know where that is. I had to look up that town so many times last week. No weather alerts in effect for you guys. Let's see about the rain for the next few days. This one's probably going to be best. Fort Dodge is right up there. Maybe an isolated shower for the rest of tonight, but then Saturday things look mostly dry. Sunday, Maybe an isolated shower Sunday night into Monday morning. But you guys should be mostly dry for this weekend. Knoxville, Tennessee. Knoxville, Tennessee, I'm pretty sure you don't have any weather alerts. Nope, you guys are chilling there in Knoxville. That's not going to be a good one. Do this one. Knoxville, Tennessee is right about there. Move forward in time. Scattered rain showers throughout the day on Saturday. Maybe a little bit of a break overnight before the rain returns Sunday around the afternoon, evening hours. And then Monday, few scattered showers as well. What about Houston? And what about Miami? If you talk 954 Xavier, are you talking about Miami, Florida, or Miami, Oklahoma? Before that, I'll check Houston. Florida, okay. I'll check that in a minute. Houston, Texas, though, you guys are under flood watch until Monday evening. Might see some storms move through later tonight, early in the morning. And then you'll see scattered showers throughout Saturday, overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. And then more scattered showers throughout Sunday night into Monday. Yeah. So, you'll get a little bit of a break on Saturday before the rain returns overnight, and then a break again on Sunday before the rain returns again overnight. And then, Miami, Florida. Miami, Florida, let me check to see if you got any weather alerts in effect. You guys got a rip current statement through Saturday evening for a dangerous rip current, so be very careful if you're going out swimming in the beaches tomorrow. Otherwise, as far as rain goes, you're just going to be seeing scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the weekend. Looks like it's mostly going to stay to your north, but, I mean, it's going to be a typical summer day in Florida for you guys this weekend. I mean, you guys are used to it. Scattered showers and storms every day in the summer for Florida. Yeah, no problem, Xavier. Montana. Sure, let's see what the weather's going to be for Montana. What's a good view of Montana? I don't think there's really a good view for Montana. Oh, yeah, there is. Northern Rockies. Here we go. Montana. Maybe a few isolated showers tonight in the northwest, but that should be mostly over. And then overnight Saturday and Sunday, maybe a few more isolated rain showers in the north central part of the state. But for the most part, you guys should be dry until Monday and Tuesday in Montana. Central Texas is lightning and thundering like crazy. Yep, got a line of storms moving through Central Texas. Good news is that it's not severe, though. So you don't need to worry about it. Well, we do have one severe thunderstorm warning over here to the north of Decatur for half-dollar size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. But everything that's moving in Fort Worth and south is not severe. Waxahachie, Texas. What's the forecast for this Saturday? Got a vendor event to set up for it. Ah, there we go. Vendor event. Waxahachie, Texas. Well, we got some storms moving through within the next few hours. As far as for the day on Saturday goes, I think you should be dry. You should have good weather for your vendor event. Rain doesn't return until Sunday. So Saturday, once those storms move through in a few hours, you're good for your vendor event. Savannah, Tennessee. Savannah, Tennessee. Southwest part of Tennessee, between the Mississippi and Alabama border. No weather alerts for you guys. You guys are right about there. Or would this be a better view? That's a better view. You guys are right about there. Looks like you might see an isolated rain shower for the rest of tonight, but then your rain chances really return tomorrow night with scattered rain showers. And for Sunday, scattered rain showers as well. And Monday as well. What about Nashville, Mount Juliet? Alright, Nashville, Mount Juliet. Guys, right about there. And you're right next to each other, so I'm doing both of you at once. Maybe an isolated shower for the rest of tonight. And throughout the day on Saturday, you'll see some scattered showers, but your best chance of rain is going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning. And throughout the day on Sunday and Monday as well. It's going to be pretty wet. What about Moore, Oklahoma? Hold on, I saw some. Hey, I have a dog show in Stockton tomorrow. How's the weather? It's not Stockton, California. Just want to double check, make sure I don't get the wrong one. Before that, let's check Atlanta. Atlanta's right about there. Maybe a little bit of more rain, although your rain chances have pretty much ended for tonight, but then you'll see scattered showers and storms throughout the day on Saturday, overnight, and into Sunday as well. So you're going to have the chance for scattered showers throughout the whole weekend. Yep, Stockton, California. Cool. That's what I thought. Let me double see what it is. I know it's in Central California. Yeah, no weather alerts for you guys. You're right near San Francisco. Which one has it? Here we go. Stockton, California, for your dog show. Any rain? Nope. You don't have to worry about any rain for your dog show tomorrow. You guys, you're good to have that dog show. How is Southeast Michigan going to be late this coming week? Yep, let's take a look real quick. Gotta switch to the global models. The lower resolution models. Southeast Michigan later this week. By about Tuesday, Wednesday, you guys should be mostly dry. Yeah, the rain's going to be confined to the southeast U.S. You guys should be mostly dry, though. How is Palmer, Alaska going to be for tomorrow? I have a rodeo event to go to. Alright, let's see where Palmer, Alaska is. Palmer, Alaska. Oh, you're right near Anchorage. I gotta switch my focus up here. Palmer, Alaska near Anchorage. It's gonna be tough. You got a chance for a few rain, snow showers. Let's see what the weather service is saying. Palmer, Alaska, no weather alerts for you guys. It's gonna be quite cool with highs in the 50s, lows in the 40s. As far as rain goes. Weather service isn't really calling any rain for you, so I think you guys should be good for your rodeo event tomorrow then. How is Spokane, Washington gonna be? Yeah, since I'm already there, we'll do Spokane. Where is... Oh, I had it. Switched it up here. Nope, regional. Northwest US. Spokane, Washington. You guys are good. You're gonna stay dry for the whole weekend. Then, chance of rain returns on Monday into Tuesday when the cold front moves through. Aha, very funny, Steven. Panama City, Florida. Panama City, Florida. Is that in the Panhandle? Yeah, it is. No weather alerts for you guys there in Panama City. Let's see how the future radar looks. You guys should be dry, mostly dry for the rest of tonight, and then for Saturday, scattered showers and thunderstorms, and then dry overnight, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms again on Sunday, and Monday and Tuesday. Yep, scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the whole weekend. Not going to be a washout. Just gotta keep an eye to the sky if you have any outdoor events. Fargo, North Dakota. See if you guys have any weather alerts. I don't think you do. Nope, you guys do not. Western part of the state has a special weather statement, but you guys are good. Let's see what the future weather holds for you guys. Fargo, North Dakota. Let me switch this to North Central. Fargo, North Dakota. You guys should be mostly dry for the rest of tonight. Saturday as well. maybe an scattered rain showers Sunday night into Monday, but your Memorial Day should be dry. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Yep, I thought I misread that as MA for a second. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Let's see if you guys got any weather alerts. Nope, no weather alerts for you guys. Hattiesburg, Mississippi is right about there. Guys, should be dry. Maybe an isolated shower for the rest of tonight, but then tomorrow you got scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the evening hours. And you should be mostly dry overnight before the rain returns Sunday afternoon and evening, and sticks around throughout the night into Monday and beginning of Tuesday. Let's see, did 0Z finish running yet? Nope, almost. Still gotta use the 12Z run. What's to say about Fort Worth right now? Fort Worth, you guys are just under a special weather statement. Got some strong storms to your west that are not severe, capable of producing winds up to 50 to 55 miles an hour and nickel-sized hail. If you just stay inside the building, you'll be fine. 27012. 27012. Clemens, North Carolina. Clemens, North Carolina, you guys are going to have the threat for scattered showers throughout the weekend. If you look at the future radar, yep, scattered showers throughout throughout this weekend. Junction City, Kansas. Junction City, Kansas. No weather alerts for you guys. You're in north central Kansas. Right here, right about there. Gotta refresh this page. You guys should be mostly dry for the rest of tonight. Maybe an isolated shower. And looks like throughout the whole weekend, you're going to be mostly dry. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but you should be mostly dry for the weekend. Wichita Falls, Texas. I believe storms have passed you tonight. Yeah. Come on. Turn on the radar. Yeah, storms have passed you for tonight. Throughout the rest of tonight, you guys should be dry. And then an isolated shower for tomorrow night. And then your Sunday, maybe an isolated shower, but most of the rain should stay to your south. Same for Monday, maybe an isolated shower, but most of your rain is going to be to your east. Richardson, Texas. I hit the caps lock. Richardson, Texas, you're near Dallas, got a few strong storms to your west, but the stuff approaching your area is not severe, maybe just a few gusty winds. As far as the rest of the forecast period, well, this weekend, I guess. I gotta refresh the page. There we go. Once those storms move past, then you should be dry for the rest of tonight, and then your rain chances, well, maybe an isolated shower, tomorrow night, and then rain chances return Sunday evening into Monday morning, and some scattered showers throughout the day on Monday. Evergreen, Alabama. Evergreen, Alabama. No weather alerts for you guys. South Central Alabama. Right about there. Guys, should be mostly dry for the rest of tonight, and then tomorrow, got a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then Saturday night, maybe an isolated shower overnight. Then Sunday, scattered showers, thunderstorms return in the afternoon and evening hours, and then scattered showers throughout the day on Monday. Centennial, Colorado. And I probably spelled that wrong. Or is it Centennial? Nope, Centennial, Centennial. There we go. Centennial, Colorado. You're right near Denver. Where is... There we go. Right about there. Maybe an isolated shower for the rest of tonight, but you guys should be mostly dry. And then maybe an isolated shower again for Saturday. Sunday, you're dry. Monday, a few isolated showers are possible in the morning, then scattered showers in the afternoon and evening hours on Monday. Medford, Oregon. Medford, Oregon. Just have some small craft advisories out towards the west and some hazardous seas warnings for Saturday morning. Just be careful if you're taking any boats out there. Otherwise, I believe you don't have any chances of rain until Monday when the cold front's gonna move through. Yeah, your next best chance of rain is gonna be Monday when that cold front moves through. Detroit, what about, hold on, what about Southern Indiana for Memorial Day? It's perfect, I can do you guys in Detroit at the same time. Where is it? I think, was it this one? Yes. Let me ship this one here towards the Great Lakes. Mid-East. Guess it's Mid-East. Detroit's right there, and was it Southern Indiana? Alright, let me check Gogwe, Texas for you real quick. Gogwe, Texas, you're just under a special order statement, some storm winds, just stay inside, you'll be fine. You're in the core of the storm right now, once it moves over, then you're done. Alright, Southern Indiana, and then, Detroit, Michigan for Memorial Day. For Memorial Day, Southern Indiana, looks like you guys are going to be mostly dry. Can't rule out an isolated shower. Same for Detroit. Yeah, you guys, both of you should be mostly dry, though. Not in Oklahoma. No, Oklahoma, just have a few light rain showers around you. The storms have passed you. Let's see what the rest of the weekend looks like for you, though. Lawton's right about there. Maybe a few showers tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And then looks like most of the rain's gonna stay to the south on Sunday night. But can't rule out an isolated shower. Alright. I think I'm gonna end the stream at 2:30. Then I might want to get to bed. Vancouver, Washington, and then Little St. James. Vancouver, Washington. You guys are chilling. No rain until Monday when that cold front moves through. Let me see where Little St. James is. That's the Virgin Islands, I believe. Oh, right near Puerto Rico. Let's see what you guys look like for the rest of this weekend. Do I want preset? Nope, don't want that. There we go, composite reflectivity. Little St. James, once the model loads. I got got shower and thunderstorm chances throughout the weekend. Mean typical weather for you guys, I guess. Fort Worth, Texas. Alright, Fort Worth, Texas. Check on that storm to your west. Fort Worth are just under a special order statement for some gusty winds. The storms they're right on your doorstep. Not severe, though. So it's not really too much to worry about. Just stay inside the building. You'll be fine. Would any time this week be a good time to go to the lake in Oklahoma? Good question. Let's zoom out of Alaska. Yeah. Maybe next weekend? But you're gonna have a threat for rain pretty much the entire week. Maybe, I think... Let me see, hold on. You might have a dry period on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday should be mostly dry for you, and Monday. This weekend should be mostly dry for you unless you're in southeast Oklahoma. Otherwise, this week is gonna be pretty wet for you guys. Look at Rochester, New York. Rochester, New York. You guys are chilling, no weather alerts for you guys. Let's see what the future weather is showing. Rochester's right about up there. Got some light rain showers throughout the day on Saturday, and then scattered rain showers overnight into Sunday. And then looks like Sunday afternoon should be mostly dry until some rain returns overnight in the evening overnight hours. But then looks like Monday should be dry for the most part for you guys in Rochester, New York. Little St. James. I thought I did Little St. James. Little St. James, that the Virgin Islands. You guys are just dealing with some shower and thunderstorm chances throughout the week. Typical weather for you guys. Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky, those flood advisories are about to expire. Flood watch still remains in effect for about another 2.5 hours, though. As far as the next few days, rain has mostly ended for you guys tonight. Might see an isolated shower, but then scattered rain returns Saturday afternoon, and then isolated rain showers overnight, and then more scattered rain showers on Sunday afternoon and evening. And then Monday, maybe an isolated shower, but you guys should be dry for most of your Memorial Day. San Antonio. San Antonio, I believe, is right about there. Maybe some more scattered rain showers throughout the night. Actually, let's see what the radar's showing. San Antonio. You guys are still under a flood watch, by the way, through Monday evening. Got some storms around you, but they passed you. Maybe can't rule an isolated rain shower for the rest of tonight. And then more scattered rain showers possible on Saturday. Should be mostly isolated, because it looks like most of the rain's going to stay to your east. And then the rain, best chance of rain returns Sunday afternoon and evening. And then maybe an isolated shower on Monday. It's a good idea to sneak, haha, very funny. Wisheck, North Dakota, yep. Wisheck, North Dakota. South Central North Dakota. Let's see what the rest of the weekend looks like for you guys. Wisheck, North Dakota. Right about there. Looks like you guys are gonna stay mostly dry for Saturday. Maybe an isolated shower overnight into Sunday. And then another chance of an isolated shower Sunday night into Monday. Otherwise, you guys are mostly dry this weekend. Ooh, Bailey. Tyler, actually, let's do San Francisco. Let's do somewhere else other than Texas. Texas, you got chances of rain throughout this weekend. I'll do San Francisco. Where's that California map? There it is. San Francisco's right about there. I don't think you have any weather alerts. Nope, just some small craft advisories to your north and west, so be careful if you're taking any boats out there. Otherwise, no rain for you guys, you're chilling. Whoa, I didn't want that. No, 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 no. You didn't see that, you didn't see that. Joliet, Illinois. Joliet, Illinois. Joliet, Illinois. No weather alerts for you guys. Let's see how the rest of the weekend's looking for you, though. You're right about there. Thanks, guys. Glad you're saying number 10 out of 10. Appreciate you. Joliet, Illinois. Looks like most, best chance of rain will probably be the, maybe late overnight, but looks like most of the rain's gonna miss it to the east and then scattered showers, tomorrow night. And then you guys are mostly dry for the rest of the weekend. Oh, I don't know, I have an AI background, well, because I'm in my basement, in case anybody else in the family walks by, so you don't have to see them. Also, the basement's kind of a mess, so. That's what happens when you have two, people return home from college for the summer. Or for me, forever. Haha, thanks, Leohine. Appreciate you. Wow, I've never had people fight over me. Midland, Texas. Alright, Midland, Texas. That's right near Odessa. That's in southwest central part of Texas. Yes, right about there. I got a severe storm to your south, but you guys are clear. Not to worry about you guys with severe weather for the rest of tonight. You guys are right about there. Maybe, yeah, some scattered showers throughout, tomorrow evening and overnight. Sunday looks like you guys are mostly dry. Monday, maybe an isolated shower or two. No, I'm not wearing a wig. This is my actual hair. I just have a background. One of those custom backgrounds. Let's do Fairbanks, Alaska. I've done Texas a lot. Let's do Fairbanks. Fairbanks is all the way up north there. No weather alerts for you guys. Not seeing any precipitation showing up on the radar. Let's see what the models are showing for you. See. No, I want national. I know I went regional. United States. Ah, come on. There you go. Alaska. Maybe a few rain showers throughout the weekend into next week, but nothing too much to write home about. Got a strong storm, though, that might move to your south, by mid-next week. Might bring some strong gusty winds to the southern part of Alaska, especially over the seas, but not really going to bring that much rain and snow for you guys. We are when snow, I'm single. Alright. I'll let you guys know. Yes, I am single. Why not? We're having fun tonight. Thanks, always better. Appreciate you. Yeah, I think I gotta do some more live streams now. Maybe just have conversations with you guys. That's where my most success has been, is these live streams. No, I'm sorry, guys. I'm straight. We can see my tabs. I know you can. These are just weather tabs. I got nothing to hide there. East Palestine, Ohio. Where that train derailed 3 years ago. I remember when that happened. That's kind of by Pittsburgh, if I am not mistaken. Yeah, I remember that train derailment 3 years ago. That was a mess. Oh, you're right by Youngstown, right on the border. Let's see what the weather looks like for the next few days for you guys. East Palestine's right about there. Looks like still some light rain showers through early Saturday morning, then scattered showers return in the afternoon and evening hours. Then looks like you get a little bit of a break throughout Sunday morning before the scattered rain showers return in the afternoon. But it looks like you're mostly dry for Monday. Summers, Mississippi, and you got a wedding. Alright, I got you, Aaron. Let's see what the weather's looking like for you. See, that's what I'm talking about, helping you plan your events. Summers, Mississippi. No weather alerts for you guys. Let's see what the weather's gonna look like for your wedding. Is that near Gulfport? Yep. Right on the... Is that a panhandle? I don't know, this southern part of Mississippi. So around 5 p.m., that's around this time, you're gonna be cutting it close with some rain. If you could... You're gonna be, dotting scattered shower chances throughout the day, but the best chance of rain is gonna be in the evening and overnight hours. Unless the threat of rain moves through before 5 p.m., you're gonna have to be, watching that. I gotta tell you, Sunday looks... I don't know, they're both iffy days. Yeah, it's not a great weekend to do any outdoor activities in your area. Well, Leo, hi, thanks for being the middleman, ha ha ha. What's going on, Burlington, TC? Where's Burlington, TC? Or Burleson? Oh, is that Texas? Do you mean Texas? Yo, Keystone, ignore them. They're just trying to be funny. I know. So it's fun. It's fun. It's good to have fun tonight. Burlington, TC. Yeah, Burlington, Texas. All right, I got you. I got you. Burlet, Burlington, Texas. I had it. Yep, Burleson, Texas. No. Actually, yes, you guys are under a special weather statement. Got a strong storm on top of you right now. It's not severe, just some gusty winds and some small hail. Just stay inside the building and you'll be fine. Once the storm passes, then you'll see some more rain throughout tonight behind the storm. But then your best chances of rain are going to come Sunday afternoon and evening, and a few isolated scattered showers are possible on Monday. Start rolling in the Plano. Let me see if I remind myself what Plano is. Yes, it is rolling in the Plano. Not severe. Just stay inside the building and you'll be fine. Yo, check out West Los Angeles, please, and I'll check, Grapevine, tell me about tomorrow, chances of rain, and tonight. Alright. Haha, very funny, Leohine. Grapevine, Texas. Always fun to have fun. Not a serious stream. We're just chilling. It's no severe weather to worry about, so we can have some fun tonight. In the chat. Grapevine, Texas. Got that line of storms to your west. Not severe. But that's going to be your best chance of rain. Tomorrow should be mostly dry, except for this. Or Saturday, I guess. I don't know. It's technically Saturday for both of us, so. And then somebody asked about West Los Angeles. That's right, that's right. I forgot. West Los Angeles, no weather alerts for you guys, and I believe you guys are going to be dry for the next few days. As California usually is. Yep, you guys are dry in LA. My weather service told me that there's going to be 60-mile-per-hour winds and hail in Burleson, Texas. You are not under a severe thunderstorm warning. The winds are probably going to be a little bit weaker than that. So, I'd say more like up to 50 miles an hour. Tell me about Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Philadelphia, we're going to be wet for most of this weekend. Rain, rain, rain. Until Monday. Got some late rain showers to our west. And then temperature is going to be below average in the 60s for most of this weekend, too. Centerville, it's SLC. Is that Salt Lake City? It's Augusta, Georgia, good for the rest of tonight. Got hit a good few hours ago. Augusta, Georgia. I think you are for the most part. Got some showers, maybe rumble thunder to your south. Nothing to worry about, though. SLCs. Oh, Salt Lake City. Okay, yep. Salt Lake City, that is Utah. No weather alerts for you guys. Not really seeing any rain showing up on the radar. You can see what your weekend has in store. Probably not much. You're right about there. Yeah, you guys are dry for most of the weekend. Maybe now that's gonna stay to yourself. Best rain chances return Sunday afternoon and evening with scattered rain showers, and Monday as well. What about DFW? DFW, they just got a strong storm that is right about to move over them. It's right over Fort Worth, so they got a little bit of time yet. It's not severe, nothing really to worry about. It's probably just gonna keep you up at night. What website do you use? Sorry for the. No, you're good. Always ask any questions you want. Well, as long as it's appropriate. But the website I'm using is Radar Omega to see the radar data, and then I use Pivotal Weather to view the weather models. Warner Robins, Georgia. Got cookout tomorrow at 5. Alright, gotcha. Warner Robins, Georgia. Let's see how the weather's gonna be for your cookout. You are in Central Georgia. For the cookout tomorrow, you guys are right about there. At 5 o'clock, that's gonna be around 20 Z. Yeah, that's when the rain's gonna come. You're gonna be cutting it close to the rain. It's not looking too good for you guys tomorrow. Let's see what the ancient Aurora says. Uh, it's gonna be close. Chance for scattered showers. We'll kind of have to wait and see if it's gonna hit you tomorrow or not. Each model has a different placement for each cell, but the general idea is the same. There's a chance for scattered showers. Montana or Michigan? Michigan. I don't know. Montana is in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing, and it gets cold in the winter. I hate the cold. Let Bailey join? What do you mean? As a guest, I'm not familiar with how the guest system works. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I don't know how to I don't know what you guys are talking about. Because I don't think I saw a request for a join or whatever. Look, you tell me to join. I don't know what you mean. See, I don't know what you guys mean. Except to join requests. How can I see join requests? That is a good question. Not sure how I see that. You know what? Why don't look that up after this stream, and then I might stream again on Sunday, and then we can see about that. It says her access was muted. Really? Not sure why it would say. I'm not familiar with multi-hosting or that stuff. So I gotta do some research into that and see how that works. Alright, San Angelo, Texas. San Angelo, Texas. It's in South Texas. Where's that at? That's San Antonio. San Angelo. There you go, guys are. Got some storms to your south, but that's gonna stay to your south. Let's see what the weather's looking like for the rest of the weekend. Maybe some... maybe some more rain showers tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder. And then you guys looks like you're going to be mostly dry, maybe an isolated shower for the rest of the weekend, but most of the rain's going to be to your east. Ha ha ha, no, very funny. I got a family here. It's not just me. 95242. 95242, yep, gotcha. 95242. Lodi, California. Lodi, California, right in the middle of Stockton. You guys are good, no rain. We already checked Stockton. They're dry for the whole weekend. Typical California weather for you guys. Gonzales, Texas. I know I spelled that wrong. Gonzal. There we go. Gonzales, Texas. You guys are under a special weather statement for some strong storms to your west, capable of producing winds up to 50 miles per hour and dime-sized hail. You're right near San Antonio as well. Let's see what the weather looks like for the rest of the weekend. After tonight, I see some isolated scattered showers Saturday afternoon and evening, but your best chance of rain is probably going to be Sunday afternoon-ish. Yeah, Sunday afternoon and evening. And then isolated showers on Monday. Do you have pets? Yep, got one dog. She's upstairs on the couch. Because nobody lets her sleep lets her sleep in bed with them at night because she's so big. Although I leave my door open, but she'd rather sleep on the couch. My brother closes the door, and then when I go into bed, I leave it open for the rest of the night, but she still wants to stay on the couch. Seoul, Korea. Okay, let's see what South Korea is doing. G-R-O-P-I-C, tropicaltidbits.com. Let's see what the weather's looking like in Seoul. Where's Asian... Ah, that view is so cluttered. That's a bad view. Is everyone just Japan? Yeah, East Asia. There we go. Seoul is right about there. Let's see. Next best chance of rain for you guys is gonna be early next week. Otherwise, nothing really too much for you guys. If your dog is big, does that mean she's horizontally challenged? No. She's good. No, 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 no. She's a hound, so she's as big as she's expected to be for her type. 62895. Wayne City, Illinois. Uh, Wayne City, Illinois. No weather alerts for you guys. Let's see what the weather looks like for the weekend. Is there a good one here? Yeah, there you go. You guys are right about there. Next best chance of rain for you guys is gonna be tomorrow night into early Sunday morning. And then otherwise, the rain should stay to the south and east. I am back. Hi, Barry. Sorry, if you were trying to join, I don't know. I don't know how that works. I gotta look into that whole thing. I'm not familiar with co-hosting or multi-guest. 55303. 55303. Anoka, Minnesota. Yes, I remember talking about you guys a lot last week. No weather alerts for you guys. Let's see what the rest of the weekend looks like for you. So a good one. No. Here we go. You guys are right about there. Now I see some scattered showers throughout the rest of tonight. Otherwise, next best chance of rain is going to be Sunday night and Monday. Weather app says OKC is expecting thunderstorms in about an hour. Will be a good one. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks like it's going to be a decent one. Not severe, though, but yeah, good summertime. It's not summer, I know, but good summertime thunderstorm. I'm trying to start to live stream weather. What's the best way to start up? Lots of detail, please. Are you really, Madison? Best way is just download TikTok on Live Studio and just go with it. That's kind of what I did. Maybe we can do multi-stream together. Who knows? Hey, can I get a shout out? Yep, hi Leo Hine. Shout out to you. Dane Ohio, please. After. Okay, fine. I guess I gotta do Ohio at some point. Just don't tell me you're an Ohio State fan, because I went to Penn State. But Dayton, Ohio, you guys are under a flood advisory. We've got some minor flooding for about until 4 a.m. So about another hour and 15 more minutes for you guys. Let's see what the weather looks like for the rest of the weekend, though. Dayton, Ohio's right about there. Once this rain passes, might see if a few scattered showers throughout Saturday. Most of the rain's going to be to your south and east. And then after that, next best chance of rain is going to be Sunday afternoon and evening. And then Monday looks mostly dry for you guys. Boo-hoo, Leo. Okay. Alright. I don't know if you guys are just messing with me or whatever, but yeah. Boo. We are Penn State. Come on, you guys don't have a cool saying like that. Glasses will look good on you. Thanks, Madison. Albany, New York. Albany, New York is right about there. I got some rain throughout the rest of tonight into tomorrow morning. And then that moves out, that's going to move out around Saturday afternoon and evening, but then we got more rain coming in overnight Saturday, throughout Saturday and Sunday, and then some scattered showers on Monday, so not a great weekend for you guys. It's Florida going to rain. Scattered showers and thunderstorm. Thanks, Bailey. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. You're kind of a typical summer day for you in Florida. Salem, New Jersey. Salem, New Jersey, got some rain throughout the rest of tonight into the morning. And then scattered showers for Saturday night into Sunday. And then Monday, some isolated scattered showers on Monday. Weatherman so bad. Haha, you guys are funny. Anything bad in Tawaka, Oklahoma? No. That's in Southern Oklahoma, I believe. How do I spell that? What did you study at Penn State? I studied meteorology. We're in Memorial Day, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Let me check you real quick. Let me check Tawaka, Oklahoma, and then I'll check you. K-A-L. Come on, don't move the chat. K-E-L-A-Q-U-A-H. Okay. I'm trying to find, their answer. T-E-L-A-Q-U-A-H. Don't. Oh, that notification startled me. That's just TikTok saying I'm not live. Give me where's my cursor? There it is. Tawaka, Oklahoma, I believe. No, you guys are good. Just some storms around you. But nothing to worry about. I'm calling Weatherboard. Okay, I'm calling. Oh, that was you? What the? That's what scared me? I don't see anything on my... Look. See, like, here's my live stream thing. I don't see where... See, like... This is what I see. I don't know, like, what to answer or... Like, I'm not sure, like, there's nothing around here that's showing me the answer or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna end the stream soon at 3 o'clock. I want to get to bed then. Storms just got here in Justin, Texas. Yeah, but it's not severe, so you don't need to worry too much about it. Steven is requesting right now. Okay. Did it show up on my phone, maybe? No, it didn't. Yeah, okay. I'm still new to this whole TikTok live stream thing. Oh, there we go. I see the request. Not now. What happens if you join as a guest? What happens when you have someone join as a guest in TikTok Live? When someone joins as a guest on TikTok Live, the stream splits into two feeds, displaying both the host and the guest video simultaneously. This feature, known as co-host or multi-guest, allows up to 8 people to join the stream at once, following real-time interaction. Oh, interesting. Guests have limited control compared to the host, depending on the host settings, but they can interact with the audience, answer questions, receive virtual gifts. If the guest follows community guidelines or social streams, the host retains the ability to kick them out of the session immediately. Interesting. Well, famous, we'll get you out. Okay, well, I'm not feeling up for it tonight. I want to end streams here soon, too. It's almost 3 o'clock my time, so. I'm gonna end the stream. I said I was gonna end the stream at 2:30, then I got sidetracked. 3 o'clock, then I gotta go to bed. I gotta get some decent sleep, you know. It's 8 a.m. my time. Okay, well, it's 3 a.m. my time, and I haven't been to bed since, 11 a.m. So I've been up for almost... Yeah, good night, Bailey. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Saturday night or Sunday night, I'll do another live stream. Maybe I'll just have a live stream where I'm just chilling playing video games. What's going on to happen in Florida? I hear there's something big happening. Nope, just scattered showers and thunderstorms. Nothing big. Aha, love you too, Steven. Maybe tomorrow, Bailey, or Sunday. We'll see. I don't know what kind of games you play, though. Good night, see you, man. Good night, guys. Yep, see you maybe tomorrow or Sunday. We'll see what I'm feeling like. Check Gainesville, Texas. Alright, I'll check Gainesville, Texas for you. Gainesville, Texas. I got a weak storm to your west. You have a special weather statement for 40-mile-per-hour winds and nickel-size hail. Just stay inside, you'll be fine. Haha, good night, Leo. Okay, well, we gotta see what games you play, Bailey. What's happening in Mississippi? Just rain. Well, not rain now, but that's the rest of this weekend. It's just gonna be rain. Oh yeah, don't end it. Not yet. I have 5 minutes. I'm getting at 6 a.m. Louisville, Kentucky. I'm golfing at 6:40 a.m. Louisville, Kentucky. Is it gonna rain? Good question. That's early. But I know your golfers got to get up early to get your spots. Or I got my dad and brother golf, so they got to get up early sometimes too. Let's see, 6 a.m. in Louisville. I think you should be fine. Maybe an isolated rain shower. Might have to keep an eye on. Otherwise, it's not going to be a steady rain though. So just got to watch out. What games do you play? I play Mario. Some Nintendo games. I also like Paradox Interactive strategy games. Summer break just started and it's supposed to rain 8 days in a row. Yep, welcome to May. Let's play Mario. Okay, maybe tomorrow. I gotta download it on the computer. Maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. Do Dallas, Texas, and I'll do Tulsa. Alright, Dallas, Texas. You guys just got that weak-ish storm over you. It's not severe. That's to your west. Just stay inside. You'll be fine. Might be a little loud, though, so you might lose some sleep over it. Tulsa, though, everything's still forest to your south and west. And it's nothing's going to be severe by the time it moves through. So... Haha. I don't know if you guys are serious or trying to be funny, but all fun and games. What about Rosemary Beach, Florida over the next week? Good question. Let's see. Let's do it this way. Rosmer, Rosemary Beach. I can't spell. Rosemary Beach. There we go. Rosemary Beach, Florida over the next week. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s for just about every day. Sunday's the only day that's going to be above 90. Best chance of... Well, actually, you have 50% chance of rain throughout the whole week. That's just because you're going to have scattered showers and thunderstorms, so... Throw a dart in the dartboard as to where the cells are going to form. It's, like, impossible to forecast. I've been healing for 7 days and stranded in the forest as I was. Yeah. Roblox. I haven't played Roblox in forever. I might have to get back into it. Clear Lake, Wisconsin. Let's see what's going on in Clear Lake, Wisconsin. Clear Lake, Wisconsin. Nah, just a few scattered rain showers around you right now. Let's see what the weekend looks like. Not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. This one. Close enough. Let me shift that over a little bit. I know it's on the very edge of your screen, guys, but next best chance of rain for you in Clear Lake, Wisconsin is going to be tomorrow night and Sunday. And then maybe an isolated shower on Monday. Yeah, I know you in Roblox if you get it again. Really, I haven't played Roblox in like over a year. How do you know me? What about Kansas? Bad storm right now. How's the weather where you live? It's raining. It's raining and chilly. They're not bad per se in Kansas. Well, there's not really any storms in Kansas. Everything's in Oklahoma and they're not bad per se. They're just a little strong, but nothing to worry about. Yeah, no you're not. Haha, yeah, you guys are so funny. Ha ha ha. Fort Worth, Texas. Fort Worth, still watching that storm. It's actually right on top of you right now, the core of the storm, capable of producing some gusty winds and small hail. It's not severe, though. I'm sure it's loud there, though. No, serious. Yeah, okay, where do I live? Actually, tell me the general area, don't be specific. Unless you want to DM me with that question, with that answer. I'm not calling you. 1 minute of bedtime, yep. Any last minute questions, any last minute locations you guys want me to check? Jacksonville, Texas, yep, Jacksonville, Texas. Jacksonville, Texas. That storm's gonna move through within the next few hours. Nothing really to worry about. It's probably gonna be weaker by the time it does anyway, but maybe some gusty winds, small hail. Dallas, yeah, just got that storm too. It's not marginally severe. Not severe. It's not severe. Just strong. Some gusty winds. Nothing really to worry about. Not give you my number. You can DM me if you want to talk to me. All right. Rockwell, Texas. Yep, that storm. If you're near the Dallas-Fort Worth area, that storm is not severe. In fact, there's nothing severe across the country. If you see us, if a storm moves through later tonight and you don't get a severe thunderstorm warning, then you don't need to worry about anything. With that, not giving you my number. Stop it. With that, I think. Yep, no problem, user. Anytime. Denver, Colorado. I'll check on Denver, Colorado for right now. Next best chance of rain is going to be, early next week as a low pressure moves through. Denver, you're chilling right now. And with that, I think I'm going to end the stream. So, maybe tomorrow I'll do another stream. Sunday, who knows? I'll try again this weekend. We'll see what's going on. But yeah, and then hopefully I'll get, maybe we'll do some guest streams if you guys want to. I don't care. I mean, this was just a chill stream, but we got no severe weather going on, so no serious streams in the near future. But yeah, with that, I'm gonna end the stream. DM me if you have any other questions, and see you guys either in the video or live stream tomorrow or Sunday. Have a good one. That was weird. Danny work Texas, ha ha ha. You